around.
Killing people?
Wow! What of people that you slept with? Parents, you guys absolutely love them, so we brought them back.
Hi.
And we will be
just
gonna say I can't say hi. Today we're gonna be doing who's most likely to challenge with these two. Okay, and this is gonna be hilarious because somebody questioned them honestly. So how it works is I ask the questions and then they're gonna say whether it's mom or dad. So mom or dad, they have them here. Hopefully you guys can see it. You guys ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay, first question. Who's most likely to pull a push door?
What?
The questions are random. The questions are random, but yeah, who's most likely? Dad, you said it too loud. Who's most likely to pretend to be sick to avoid work? Daddy!
That's such a lie, isn't
No,
it? Oh
Daddy had the ears ring.
Alright. To make up for the ears ring.
Daddy is most likely to fake sick.
Yeah.
Daddy will be good now. And all of a sudden, mommy say, Johnny boy, feed the dog. Oh.
Because I always have to do the shitty work. Take out the garbage, feed the dog. Come on.
You are the most likely to fake sick. Okay. Who's most likely to give the best advice? Daddy, you're lying all day. This is not the opposite game.
Look here. You have to be truthful.
This is not the opposite game. Who
Not
is
generally.
most?
Listen to the
Most.
Listen to the question.
Whoa.
Carefully.
Not you, sorry. Who's most likely to get a speeding ticket? No question. No question. All day, every day. Okay?
Right, no.
All day, every day. Who's most likely to fall asleep during sex? Back in the day.
Oh, okay.
Oh, back in the day?
Back in the day. Okay.
Nobody.
I was trying to remember so far back.
To clarify, we never slept. Ever.
Oh, so nobody
Day
never got
or
asleep.
night. Day or night.
Alright. My
I
chest.
mean, some people fall asleep in sex.
Apparently people fall asleep.
Oh my
in
god.
sex.
But seriously.
Sad, that's sad, that's sad.
So nobody knows about an orgasm?
Jesus, let's not go there. It's a family channel, okay? That is what Mitty search. Mitty search channel
I
that.
think you put us on the wrong channel.
Who's most likely to say something insensitive? Yes, for the first time I tell the truth. Who's most likely to become a priest or no? Don't know though. Don't know though. Don't know though.
No.
No, no, no. No, no, no. Who's most likely to become a priest or none?
Not applicable.
No. Next. Who's most likely to queue behind a mannequin in a store? Definitely.
I'm trying to work out what sort of person would ask that.
Yeah, like, and then they'll stand up all long and wait for the line move.
I would never queue behind
You
a
would stand up
mannequin.
here and one and wait for the line move and it
Because it's so
move.
polite.
Alright,
It's true, that's the British in you.
And if a mannequin comes and tries to go in front of him, he'll argue.
It's a pretty one-sided competition.
Who's most likely to get caught telling a lie? Who's most likely to eat something gross? Daddy is so gross. Honestly. Who's most likely
Smelly
to
cheese.
right? Who's most likely to fart in an elevator? Hence the gross. Who would be most likely to forget to pick up the kids from school?
Not applicable. Oh, Mom.
Oh my god, you actually said yourself? She actually said herself? yourself. Most likely to yell at the TV while watching a movie. Really?
I've done so in the past.
Who's most likely to flirt with someone?
Oh, never one of us. Sorry.
Yeah.
Not applicable.
Y'all need to stop. Who's most likely to get arrested? He said you.
Babe, you almost got arrested before.
Oh. Okay, clarity. For what?
Anything at all. Who's most likely to get arrested?
You
Oh,
are.
Yeah.
Definitely you.
Okay.
Definitely you. Who's most...
Which country?
Both.
The two of them.
All,
You're more-
all countries. Who gets searched? Who always get strip searched? When you're crossing borders, who gets targeted?
Me.
Okay.
That's so weird. It's because you're here.
White long hair, it's not.
Yeah,
weird.
yeah,
It's up
yeah,
immediately.
yeah. Who's most likely to pick their nose and eat it?
No, I'm not an eater. I'm not an eater. I'm a picker. I'm not an eater.
You're a picker and flicker.
That's right.
Who's most likely to get into the most car accidents?
Well, that's easy. Do you know once she was in a garage and she reversed into
Into
a
the
bloody
pole.
hole? The hole on the side of a car is scraped
But
off.
it was below, her vision. Who's most likely to fake their own death?
What the hell? Me? I don't have to fake it.
Who's most likely to fake it? That's a weird question, right?
It is weird. I mean,
Maybe fake it for I don't know.
He'd fake it simply because he don't want nobody come visit him.
Yeah, that's true.
uh,
Who's most likely to make the first move?
To
on what?
Back in the day, who was most likely to make the first move? Really?
Yes.
Of course.
Really, Mommy?
Yes.
I did not think so.
Your mother is very principled. I am a child of the 70s.
Oh my god.
Yep.
Okay, who's most likely to spend lots of money unnecessarily?
Oh, me.
Daddy will go. Daddy will go shopping for groceries, milk, eggs, bread, come back with a 50-inch TV, boombox, a new car. That's Daddy. Who's most likely to be
It's that tongue ring, I told you.
to pretend to be disabled to park in the disabled spot? Yo! Daddy, no word of a lie.
Yes.
That's
Yo,
right. Yeah.
Daddy, one time we went shopping, he parked in the disabled parking lot and then started dragging foot. I'm like, this guy is not serious, bro. Okay. Who's most likely to become a stripper?
Mitty not on the paper.
If you had
That is wrong.
I think this is a...
Oh, wow.
Okay, who's most likely to not take a shower for a week? Who's most likely to have the highest body count?
What?
And what?
You know what body
Killing
count is?
people?
Wow! No.
Oh.
Body count! What the hell? Just have a serial killer next to me. Body count is the amount of people that you've slept with. That's what body count is. That is still that! Either way, they're that. Okay.
Shut up.
Who's most likely to do drugs? Really?
Totally.
Oh my god! I thought he was the druggie. I thought you guys were gonna hold up the two people at one time. Don't do drugs, guys.
Hey,
Stay in school.
make your life
That's called
interesting.
balance.
Yeah. You gotta see how your parents really react.
Yeah.
I don't think I want to see how they really react, okay? Next question. Who's most likely to snore the loudest? Mommy! You said up there.
She can
He
wake a,
tells me all the time.
she can wake a dead dog.
Every time I wake up, boy, that was loud, you know.
No, this reminds me of Grace. You know, Meredith snores and Derek had to sleep on
That's
the
when I
couch.
was watching it, I thought about us. Yeah, that's
We
it's
are
not
like-
too bad.
We're a Grace family
Yeah,
over
yeah.
here. We're a Grace family. Okay, last question. Who's most likely to kill the cheating partner? So if one of y'all cheated, who's most likely to kill you?
Oh, only in the case of killing a partner.
No.
Not my wife.
Okay.
I'll
say-
kill him. Forget the partner. I'll kill him.
You would have killed her, daddy.
No, I kill a partner.
Alright guys, thank you so much for joining us today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do leave a comment down below what you thought was the most hilarious part of this. What was your favorite question that I asked them? Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, and look forward to more videos. I have a bunch of videos coming with these too, so definitely look out for them. Until next time, we'll see you in another video.
Bye.
See you.